Hello, good morning students. Now we can study here another part of our syllabus, that is the chromosomal theory of inheritance. So we know the work of Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel was a scientist who had made his experiment on the garden pea plant, and on the garden pea plant he found the different types of characters or traits, and he made their calculations, make the data, and statistically and mathematically he had expressed his work. Mendel was died in 1884, and Mendel's work was published in 1866. But after it, the people forget him. The similar type of work, due to some reasons, the work was not published, and the similar type of work was done by the three different scientists in the world. These are Hugo de Rice, T. Mark and Correns. या तीन वेगळ्या सायंटिस्टनी त्यांचं काम हे वेगळ्या प्रकारे केलेलं आहे. या शास्त्रज्ञाचं नाव आहे ह्युगो डी राईस, टी. मार्क and the Correns. They made the similar type of work in the 1900. That is called as the remodelism. या कामाला remodelism असं म्हणतात. So in the 1900 the remodelism takes place by the different scientists, and during the development of the microscope, we know the microscope, सूक्ष्मदर्शक यंत्र, लहान सेल मोठा पाहण्याचं कामी आपल्याला ते येतं. ड्युरिंग द डेव्हलपमेंट और डिस्कवरी ऑफ द मायक्रोस्कोप इट बिकम्स इजी टू स्टडी द सेल. पेशीचा अभ्यास करणं, पेशी विभाजनाचा अभ्यास करणं इझी होऊन गेलं. इट बिकम्स इझी टू स्टडी द सेल डिव्हिजन, द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द क्रोमोझोम and all the parts which are present in the individual which we want to study. आपल्याला पाहिजे त्या बारीक गोष्टींचा अभ्यास मायक्रोस्कोपच्या शोधामुळे आपल्याला शक्य झालं. इन द इयर 1903 1903 मध्ये सटन अँड बोव्हेरी, these are the two scientists, Sutton and Boveri, they again gave the chromosomal theory of inheritance. The theory is given by the Sutton and Boveri in the year 1903 based on their observation. त्यांनी केलेल्या अभ्यासावरून, ऑब्झर्वेशनच्या वरून chromosomal theory of inheritance ही देण्यात आली. And now the theory, what it shows, the theory given in 1903 by the Sutton and Boveri, it defines or it came into knows that chromosomes are carrying the genetical material. Chromosomes, they carry the genetical material which is responsible to carry the character from one generation to another generation. एका पिढीमधून दुसऱ्या पिढीमध्ये कॅरेक्टर नेण्यासाठी हे क्रोमोझोम जिम्मेदार आहे. सो क्रोमोझोमल theory of inheritance, it becomes perfect that the chromosomes are responsible to transfer the character from one generation to another generation. The work was done by the three different scientists, Hugo de Rice, T. Mark and the Correns. But the Sutton and Boveri gave the chromosomal theory of inheritance in the year 1903. The chromosomes are present in pair in the somatic cell. So in the cells are present two types in our body, somatic cells and reproductive cells. Somatic cells are responsible for our body preparation, and reproductive cells, they are useful for the further production of the offsprings, or they are present in the meiotic cell division. So here the chromosomal theory of inheritance, it shows that chromosomes are responsible to carry the character from one generation to another generation. एका पिढीमधून दुसऱ्या पिढीमध्ये कॅरेक्टर नेण्याचं काम क्रोमोझोम करतात. Now during gamete formation, whenever the gametes they are formed, although the chromosomes they are present in the pair in the somatic cell, but they becomes separate. Gamete formation होत असताना हे डबल 2n नंबरचे क्रोमोझोम सेपरेट होतात आणि हॅप्लॉइड n नंबरचे क्रोमोझोम त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतात. Each gamete contains, now there are gametes, genotype, gametes, then the F1 generation. We have studied in the 3 different laws of Gregor-Mendel. Gregor-Mendelच्या मध्ये त्यांच्या कामामधले जे 3 लॉज आहेत, लॉ ऑफ डॉमिनन्स, लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडंट असॉर्टमेंट, लॉ ऑफ सेग्रिगेशन, याच्यामध्ये आपण गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन पाहिलं. या गॅमेटच्या मध्ये हे ईच गॅमेट कंटेन्स ओनली 1 क्रोमोझोम फ्रॉम अ पॅर. त्यांची जरी जोडी असली तरी या जोडीच्या मधला एकच क्रोमोझोम गॅमेट तयार होत असताना पुढे येतो. और इट वन सिंगल गॅमेट इज फॉर्म अमंग द बोथ which are homologous chromosome. One is called as a gamete. Now the nucleus and gametes contains chromosomes which carries all hereditary trait in the species. त्या स्पेसिसमध्ये जे काही हेरिडिटरी ट्रेट कॅरेक्टर आहेत ते त्या क्रोमोझोमच्या मध्ये इन्क्लूड केलेले असतात. नाउ द egg is produced from the female and sperm it is produced from the male. Egg is haploid number n number, sperm is haploid number n number. Egg and sperm, egg n and sperm n both form 2n diploid number offspring after fertilization. तो डबल नंबरचा ऑफस्प्रिंग इंडिव्हिज्युअल तयार होतो आणि 2n नंबर हा मेंटेन होतो. या ठिकाणी दे chromosomes links between the parents to offspring. Parent आणि offspring ला लिंक करण्याच्या मधला जो इंटरमिडिएट आहे ते क्रोमोझोम आहे. Now what are the chromosomes? Chromosomes are filamentous bodies. They are thread-like bodies. They are present in the eukaryotic cell nucleus. Nucleus, we know that there are 2 types of cell, eukaryotic and prokaryotic. वेल डेव्हलप्ड असणारे न्यूक्लियस, त्यांच्यामध्ये न्यूक्लियस डेव्हलप्ड आहे, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन डेव्हलप आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये सेल ऑर्गॅनेल डेव्हलप आहे, त्याला युकॅरियोटिक सेल असं आपण म्हणतो. तर प्रोकॅरियोटिक सेलच्यामध्ये साधारणपणे एक्झाम्पल अमिबा आपण पाहिला, प्रोकॅरियोट्स, वेल डेव्हलप असणारी कोणची न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन त्याच्याभोवती नाही. बट हिअर इन द युकॅरियोटिक सेल chromosomes they are present. The chromosomes, it is the Greek word, chromo is equal to color and soma is equal to body. So the colored body it is called as the chromosome. It is present in the eukaryotic cell. Now the term chromosome is given in the year 1888 by a scientist called as Waldeyer, Waldeyer, Waldeyer in the 1888. The size of the chromosome varies from species to species. प्रत्येक स्पेसिसच्या मध्ये आपल्याला या ठिकाणी साइज ही व्हेरिएबल मिळते. ईच मेटाफेज. नाउ वेअर द क्रोमोझोम्स आर मोर डिस्टिंक्ट अँड विजिबल, ते कोणत्या सेलमध्ये दिसतात? दे आर ऑब्झर्व्ड इन द मेटाफेज. In the cell, you know that there are the different types of 2 types of division, metaphase and we can say the mitosis and meiosis. In the mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase are the phases. But in the metaphase, chromosomes are more distinct and visible. They just suspect metaphase मध्ये मिळतात. They is variable in the size. They are from 0.1 to 33 mu in length and 0.2 mu in the breadth. That is size. It is also variable. Here the chromosomes are visible in the cell division. They are distinct. They are visible. They can be studied under the microscope in the cell division, and they are able to replicate. What are the characters of the chromosome? They are able to replicate, and what they carries? They carries or transfers heredity. The character transfer from one generation to another generation. Mutation, these are the sudden changes takes place in the chromosome number. So mutation, variation, जरी एकाच आईवडिलापासून आपण किंवा ऑफस्प्रिंग बनले असले तरी ते वेगळे असतात. These are the variation. Responsible are the chromosomes only. Then the evolution, उत्क्रांती, it is the orderly gradual change from simple to complex one. Chromosomes are responsible for the evolution also, and the chromosomes are made up of DNA, histones and the histone proteins. Chromosomes are made up of DNA, histones and histone proteins. Now we have studied two points in the today's period. The chromosomal theory of inheritance and structure of the chromosome. Chromosomal theory of inheritance is given in the 1903 by Sutter and Boveri after remendelism. The chromosome name is termed by the Waldeyer in the 1888. Chromosomes, these are thread-like or filamentous structures present in the eukaryotic cell nucleus. They are variable in the size and shape. They are responsible to transfer the character from one generation to another generation. They are able to replicate. The double number can be maintained by the meiosis by again after union of egg from the female and sperm from the male. Double number is maintained here. Chromosomes are made up of DNA, histones and histone proteins. Thank you.